Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Dutch Barista Espresso. Now for this machine it was brought here because no water was coming out through the group head, and that was because the flow meter was not detecting water going through the machine, and the machine was, since it was not detecting water, it was out to shut it off to make sure it didn't overheat or anything. So this one right here, which is the flow meter, was not working perfectly fine. The symptoms was it was trying to brew a couple of seconds, like 1, 2, and 3, and at the third second it will completely stop all flow, will not do anything, as like I said, it was not detecting water going through here, and it was thinking that it was out of water. So in order to protect itself, it will auto shut off. The water pump, this one that you see right here, it's from 2017 and it's been working there for quite a while as well. It's also having some issues with the water flow in the entire system. We find some scale buildup as well over here on the thermoblock, so it was best to replace this one, and as well as to replace the flow meter from the machine. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Let me just select espresso, so that way we can start out the grinding right here. We're grinding on the final setting. We're using very old coffee, so hopefully we get some good grinding. I'm grinding 15 seconds. We should be grinding at least 18 seconds. There you go, that's good enough. Nice and damp. Now we're brewing espresso. Machine does pre-infusion. Previously it will just do this 30 seconds and it will just stop. No water will come out. But now that since the machine is detecting water coming out through the whole system, it's actually dispensing the way it should. I'm gonna automatically tap it here as it's already set up as a double, which will give us more than 2 ounces. And as you can see, nice flow coming out through the group head. Now we're gonna do it with our coffee. As you can see, there you go, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Working great. We're gonna test the steamer as well. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. I have butter for this machine. See, nice steady stream as well. Working perfectly. So there you have it. Breville Dutch Barista Espresso working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for the Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and leave a like and subscribe.